The SuperBuddy Satellite Finder is an excellent tool for any satellite installation. It can find the azimuth, elevation, and skew angles if the GPS coordinates are known along with the satellite to be pointed at. The customer information sheet from Ground Control provides specific information required for each installation. Information such as the satellite name, which in this demonstration is G18 or Galaxy 18. You will also need to know the receiver LNB polarity, which is vertical in this case. Use the right or left arrow keys to scroll through the list of satellites to find Galaxy 18. Once found, use the up or down arrow keys to select vertical or horizontal receive polarity. VT stands for vertical. There are usually multiple transponders with vertical or horizontal polarity, and selecting any one of them should almost always be acceptable. Now press the zip key and enter in the GPS coordinates. GPS readings should always be in decimal. In this example, the installation location is 35.50 degrees latitude by minus 120.70 degrees longitude. Positive latitudes are always north of the equator, and negative latitudes are always south of the equator. Longitudes use the prime meridian to divide the Earth. Positive longitudes are on the east hemisphere, and negative longitudes are on the west hemisphere. Use the keypad to enter in latitude, and then press the Enter key. The cursor will drop to the longitude automatically. For a negative number, press the minus key first, and then press the Enter key to complete the calculation. The SuperBuddy shows both true azimuth and magnetic azimuth. Since you will be using a compass to find the satellite, magnetic azimuth is preferred. Write down the GPS coordinates, magnetic azimuth, and the elevation and skew angles on the installer sheet.